Hey guys, in this video I'll be doing the camera review of the Honor 9 Lite. So the Honor 9 Lite has 4 cameras, 2 on the front and 2 on the back, and this is how the interface looks like. If we swipe to the left, we get different options like resolution and aspect ratio, and the default here is 4:3. And then there are also other options where you can add watermark, and there's assistive grid, timer, object tracking and stuff. And then if we swipe to the right, we find a bunch of modes like auto, pro mode for both photos and videos. And then we have HDR, panorama, time lapse. And then when we switch to pro mode, that is where we can really fine tune our shot. We can adjust ISO, the shutter speed, the focal length. We can adjust between autofocus and manual focus, and then we can also adjust the white balance, and we have this easy to understand interface where everything is laid out perfectly. So these are some of the sample shots that are taken under bright sunlight, and as you can see, the pictures have great detail, the dynamic range is good, and the overall color accuracy is quite good as well. Some pictures are oversaturated in my opinion, and the bokeh looks unnatural. They look like they are optimized using software, even though the Honor 9 Lite has a second camera. Again, this isn't a huge deal breaker, just a minor caveat, but a point that's worth mentioning, and I hope that Huawei fixes it with a software update. These are some of the shots that are taken in artificial lighting conditions, and there is some noise that is quite visible, and this is an image that's shot under low lighting conditions, and the noise levels are quite evident in this picture as well. This is a shot that's taken using just the flash, and I like how sharp this image looks. It came out really well. When it comes to video, the Honor 9 Lite shoots full HD video, and there's no optical image stabilization or electronic image stabilization in this phone, and considering the price we can excuse that part, but for what it does, it shoots really good video where the colors are vivid and overall quality is great. And then we have the selfie camera. Pictures taken under bright lighting conditions look great, they look very natural, but Huawei has this gender beauty mode where it detects whether it's a guy or a girl and then adjusts the picture accordingly, which I'm not a huge fan of, but I can see some people using that feature. I personally prefer pictures that are taken without the beauty mode, where the selfies look a lot more sharp and natural. So to sum it up, the Honor 9 Lite has tried to pack in as many features as possible to make the camera really stand out for a pocket-friendly price. And when I say price, I'm talking about the 11,000 variant. So for that price, they did a really good job. So that's pretty much it for the review, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and also share this video. It will be very helpful. Make sure to follow me on Facebook and Twitter. Links will be in this video's description. If you have any questions, please do leave them in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you are interested in more videos like this, definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.